Self-styled chairman of 𝐬𝐭𝐲𝐿A Self-styled chairman of newly shaped militant outfit Karbi United Liberation Army D.P Kronjang alias Denial Teron was arrested by Karbi Anglong police after injuring him from the forested area of Langboku, around 30 kilometers from Diphu in a nighttime operation along with his associates today. This so-called ragtag ultra group came under scanner after police received a nitpick about extortion. Bakulia police gathered intelligence and traced various phone numbers from which demand for payoffs came. Extortion notices were also served by the group members. Eventually, that too came to the notice of police. On the basis of specific inputs, police arrested one Thangtom Hansey from Sir Hansey village under Diphu police station a few days back, and later, the accused person confessed that he is the finance secretary of this group. On the basis of confession of the accused Thangtom Hansey, police arrested one Pranab Timung from Balijan village, who afterwards was identified as the general secretary of this radical organization. Police extracted information about D.P Kronjang alias Denial Teron's hiding place inside a forested area of Langboku, located within the command area of Manja police station. A team of police led by Additional Superintendent of Police 𝐬𝐭𝐲𝐿 and senior officers cordoned off the suspected hideout, and during the combing operation, a skirmish took place between the militants and the raiding force. In the encounter, D.P Kronjang alias Denial Teron received bullet injury and was shifted to Diphu Medical College and Hospital. Police have recovered 22-bore pistol with ammunition, one magazine of 𝐒𝐿 series rifle with few rounds of ammunition, one sharp weapon, olive green combat dress, mobile handset and SIM cards, letterheads used for issuing extortion letters, seals, etc. from the possession of the arrested militants. News Desk Report, Biswanath Karbi Live.